Good morning, everybody. So it's our last few moments here on Brother Island in El Nido. We're going to be leaving soon. I think it's around 8 AM right now. Just having breakfast, and we're leaving at 11 AM. We actually extended another day, so yesterday, but we didn't do any vlogging. We were just here chilling, and yeah, just such a relaxing place. And this time, look where breakfast is served, right on the beach. This is insane. This might be the best breakfast location that we've ever eaten, right?
Yeah, it's just so beautiful. Yeah,
so peaceful. So in this place, you can pretty much just choose whatever you want. The service here is 5-star, amazing service, and yeah, just an amazing family that are running this place. The local Filipino family that are doing everything. So yeah, everything's always on time. Anything you ask, they do. And yeah, today they set us up here. So the breakfast here, you can pretty much ask what you want as well, but we've been having like lunch, breakfast, right?
Yeah, because I think Filipinos usually have rice and like a proper meal, like a lunch, like as you said, in the morning. But for us, that's a lot of food, but we've been eating it and we like it anyway.
Yeah, we're enjoying it. So yeah, just the rice like the other days. Check this out. I don't think I've ever had fish for breakfast, but that's a lot of fish, and looking forward to eating it. And then over here we've got a nice mixture of vegetables as well, and yeah, some bananas always, and the coffee set up there.
Water.
Yeah, dogs chilling. But yeah, this view is just something else to wake up to. Fast one. We don't really want to leave, but yeah, we got some stuff to do in El Nido, so yeah, we do have to leave. If we ever come back to El Nido though, we're gonna come back to this place because it's just too good. Me and Carol were talking last night, and we honestly think this is the best place we have ever stayed. Not just in the Philippines, in any country. I think this has been the best resort that we've ever stayed at. Maybe not the most luxurious, it's still very nice, but just because of the experience of having everything here, the amazing food, the nice people, the other beaches you can kayak to, the snorkel spots right here, yeah, just everything. Beautiful white beach and the cool accommodation on the cliffside. Like the overall experience, yeah, just something else. And for us, experience counts more than like if it's luxury or whatever. So yeah, I'd say if you come here, you should definitely stop by here. I know people come to El Nido mainly for island hopping, but I would definitely experience this. Might even be better than the island hopping, I think, overall. So where is the good spot? Around the rocks over there?
Yeah, oh, from there and going there. Sa 20, maybe it's 20 meters.
Okay, swim out.
Sand, going there.
Okay. All right, thank you. You wanna come? All right, so you heard the man. Gotta swim 20 meters. That's one of the guys that's taking care of us, him and his family, him and his son. Man, this water looks better every time I look at it.
I want to live here.
Yeah, I want to live here. I don't want to leave here. So I think he said that way, 20 meters. Kind of hard to imagine that it'll be so much better than the other spot over there, because that was already amazing with such a variety of fish. But yeah, we'll see. He's saying the coral's better anyway. I don't know how the fish are. Looking good, Carol. Let's go, lead the way, as usual. So we just finished packing up, and if nobody saw the other videos, this was our awesome room here. And yeah, we was on the cliffside, so had this amazing view. Wow, the water looks amazing today. Probably the best weather day on the island, but we've had pretty good weather throughout anyway. So yep, it's time to go. Ready to go?
No.
No? Everything good must come to an end.
Yeah, you're going to a nice place as well.
Yeah. See you later, buddy. You're coming? No? Okay, bye. Nice to meet you.
Thank you for everything.
Subscribe. So we just got our scooter from the village of Tiniguiban, where we left it, and we were planning on going to DULI beach since we're kind of close, but you could probably see in those images there's a monster rain cloud, so we're gonna have to see where that is going. Maybe it's not near DULI. If it's not, we'll go to DULI for like half an hour, and yeah, if it is raining, we'll just go straight to El Nido. We'll have to see. Yeah, so guess what happened? Just like many days in El Nido lately, we got caught in the rain. So luckily we come prepared. We put our little rain jackets on. We have our coats as well. How many times has this happened now, Cal?
Hundreds.
Yeah, we'll be okay. And we're not on the best road either for yeah, for rain, but we've been through this many times. No accidents, just gotta go slow, that's all. So we asked some of the locals here if we could use their little hut on their property to stay dry. So here we are. Got the house back there. Carol thinks it'll pass soon.
Yeah, the sky is blue over there, so maybe it will pass.
Yeah, maybe. Should be a quick one.
For a bumpy road.
A very bumpy road.
Yeah, we forgot how bad it was, right?
Yeah, and it hasn't rained at all around here, so we're not dressed for the occasion.
Yeah.
Remove all this stuff.
Yeah.
So we've only ever been to this beach once before, which was right after the lockdown. That time we stayed over there in the bay. It's really nice over there, but this time we just decided to stay out here in the open. And it's windier here, so the sandflies won't be as bad. And this is known as a surf beach here in El Nido. Last time we came it was completely still, but there's actually some waves today. I don't think you could surf on them, but yeah, it still looks pretty cool. Over there as well. So the beach is actually looking nicer than last time we came. Not as nice as Brother Island though. So we've returned to El Nido and we've returned to RC Villas and Resorts where we stayed for months. So this time we're in Villa 4 because one of the other guests is in our villa up there. But as you can see, the view is pretty much the same, so yeah, it's still amazing. But everything else is the same, so the balcony, and then inside, oh yeah, Peanut returned. He's still here. How you doing, Peanut? Look at that tongue.
Did you miss us?
Yeah, we were wondering if he would still be hanging around, right?
We were hoping for that.
Yeah, so the room is identical, I think, right?
Yeah, maybe just a little bit smaller, but...
It is?
Oh, Peanut!
Wait, where's Peanut going?
Peanut!
Hey, Peanut.
You're not supposed to be there.
You're not supposed to be there. Is that your new hiding spot? Yeah, so where was I? Everything else is pretty much the same. I guess there's a few different touches. This one has, yeah, these like little drawers here, I guess, whatever you call that. But everything else is identical. Still got the mini fridge. Yeah, and the bathrooms also the same. So I think pretty much all the villas here are identical, so yeah, whichever one you stay in is nice like this. Peanut, get out of there. What are you doing under here? Get out. We just ordered some Indian food from Biryani Kitchen. Yeah, we always get the same, right? The chana masala. And then what is this called again? I forgot. Aloo paratha. Yes. Yeah, it's like a potato bread. And yeah, we got some other breads here for the chana masala. And I forgot what this is called as well. But yeah, these are tasty. So all this was 600. So yeah, it's also good because the price is good and that fills us up, and we love Indian food. So that's it for this video. We're just gonna relax now. Done a lot today, a lot of sun as well, which yeah, can tire you out. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, just drop a like to support us. Subscribe if you like seeing more videos like this. Follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next one.